that the Common Core will be the panacea for everything that happens, but I do think the consistency from state to state is something that we talk about, you know, working with the district close by in Washington, knowing that even kids moving 5 miles changes what happens in their education. I think the Common Core can provide consistency. We can also have a common yardstick, and I think for the college admissions process, and I hate to look at Common Core as being test prep, but if you look at the Common Core and the rigor and challenge they pose, they certainly should prepare. If students are coming out of that college ready, it certainly they should be well prepared for ACT or SAT or any other assessment that the college is going to give them.
I know that, well, everything has been said, but not everyone has said it, but I will still pass on having except that I agree with what others have said.
Please, Belinda.
Whenever I looked at the Common Core, and one of the points at which we looked at schools and school districts is how well do our students do in the 8th grade in math? Are they ready for algebra, or do they still need some basic skills? And that's one of the things that the first time I looked at Common Core, I wanted to know how is it that they treat that really important transition point, because that makes a difference as far as college readiness for students, and it makes a difference for, you know, realizing that students have a need in their background as far as needing a stronger math background. And I like how it is handled within the Common Core, because they realize that, yes, that is a critical transition point. And I think it's because a lot of different voices came together to develop these standards. Now, you know, going back to the same thing that you've heard often, it is what is it that you do with those standards? What is it how will they be implemented, and what will it look like on a district or a state level? So yes, there is promise there that they can provide some unity, some strong guideposts, but at the same time, it's something that we need to make practical and implement.
If I might just add one thing about the literacy, because I think one of the biggest change for teachers, particularly at the high school level, is going to be the shift from literary text to informational text. And this was done because the reading of literature and the content of that literature was deemed not to be preparing students adequately for the readings that they had to do at the college level. So